Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we break down the financial jargon so you don't have to. Today we've got National Bank Holdings Corporation on the chopping block, and let's just say they're giving out cash. Or at the table looking at a Form 8K filing from National Bank Holdings Corporation. Now this isn't a full quarterly report, but more like a news flash for investors. Think of it as a company saying, hey, something important just happened, you need to know about it right now, and what happened. Well, it looks like the big news today is about dividends. If you own shares of National Bank Holdings Corporation, this is for you. National Bank Holdings Corporation is, as the name suggests, a bank. They operate across several states, primarily in the Mountain West region of the United States. They offer a range of banking services to individuals and businesses. Essentially, they are the folks who hold your money and let you borrow their money. Companies like this are super sensitive to the economy, interest rates, you name it. So let's see what they're up to. The event we're talking about happened on August 4th of 2025. This is the date the company's board of directors made a decision. So the big news is that the company's board of directors gave the thumbs up to pay out some of their profits directly to their shareholders. This is called a dividend. It's like the company is sharing its success. Specifically, they're paying out 30 cents for every share of common stock. This is happening quarterly, meaning every 3 months. So if you own 100 shares, you'll get $30, not too shabby. The payment date is September 15th, but to get that cash, you needed to be officially registered as a shareholder by the end of the day on August 29th. Missing that record date means you'll have to wait for the next dividend payout. It's all about timing in the stock market. I know we don't have big financial tables in this specific 8K, but this dividend news is a direct reflection of the company's financial health. A cash dividend being approved usually means the company is generating enough profit and has enough cash on hand to comfortably distribute some of it to its owners. It's a sign of confidence from the management and the board that they expect to continue doing well. Now, you might see mentions of Class A common stock. This just means there are different types of stock. In this case, their main stock that most people trade is Class A. The par value is a nominal, often tiny amount assigned to stock for accounting purposes. It's not really relevant to how much the stock is worth in the market, and the stock trades under the ticker symbol NBHC. That's what you'd look for if you wanted to buy or sell shares of National Bank Holdings Corporation. On the stock exchange, they are listed on the New York Stock Exchange, or NWOS. That's one of the biggest and most well-known stock exchanges in the world. Being on the NYSE means they are a pretty significant company and have to follow strict rules and regulations. The company also attached a press release to this filing. This is essentially the official announcement to the public about the dividend. Think of it as the company's own statement confirming what we've just discussed. And then there's this technical bit about XBRL. This is the language that financial filings use to make their data machine readable. It allows computers to easily extract and analyze the information. While not super exciting for us as viewers, it's crucial for analysts and regulators. So what's the takeaway here? National Bank Holdings Corporation is doing well enough to share some of its earnings with shareholders, signaling a degree of financial stability and confidence in their future operations. For investors, this is a positive sign. It means the company is not just growing, but also rewarding its owners. It suggests that their core business of banking is likely performing well, enough to support these payouts. Now, looking at these results more broadly, National Bank Holdings Corporation appears to be a stable player in its market. The decision to pay a dividend is a good indicator of financial health. While this single filing doesn't give us a deep dive into their balance sheet or income statement, the act of distributing cash often means they've managed their risks and operations effectively to generate surplus. One thing to always keep in mind with banks is their sensitivity to interest rate changes and the overall economic climate. A strong dividend payout can be an early signal that they're navigating these currents successfully. Alright, that's our quick decode of this filing from National Bank Holdings Corporation. What's your take on this dividend news and what it means for the company? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Corporate Decoder for more straightforward financial insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.